New at 9, we're hearing from the lawyer for a popular Tulsa restaurant owner about why his client pleaded guilty to stealing, even though he says it was all a mistake. We've told you Tally Alame, the owner of Tally's Good Food Cafe, pleaded guilty this week to stealing thousands of dollars in items from Green Country Sam's Club locations using the Scan and Go app. Fox 23's Paris Rain is live with what Tally's attorney is saying.
Yeah, around $7,000 is what they are saying Tally owes. Now, his attorney, Brett Swab, tells me that if they had said something sooner or if he hadn't used a self-checkout in the first place, then he wouldn't be in this predicament today. Charged with 6 counts of larceny over a period of 7 months. Tally Alame, better known as Tally, has pleaded guilty and people are confused why. If he says it was all a misunderstanding, blaming the Scan and Go app.
Pleading guilty to not paying the money, what he should have paid. We're not necessarily pleading guilty and saying we willfully took that. We just didn't pay for it. Our defense is we didn't know we hadn't scanned it correctly.
I was able to speak with Tally's attorney, Brett Swab, who says they are confused why Sam's Club didn't say anything during the first incident.
It became a misunderstanding, and then he didn't have any opportunity to even know he was doing it. And again, we're not saying that he doesn't owe the money, but there's more to this story than people are giving him an opportunity to say. And it's unfortunate because he's received death threats through social media.
Swab tells me Tally has lost a considerable amount of business and people are judging him without knowing all the facts.
I think that he's been punished enough in that regard. He's lost business. He doesn't have financial means anymore, and he's gonna struggle to get back on his feet, and he's willing to do that. But I think people just need to give him a chance and stop judging.
Swab says Tally is not very tech savvy.
I can tell you this, if he had not had the self-checkout, he wouldn't be here before you.
I asked Swab what was next for Tally in his case.
We'll have a sentencing hearing in front of the judge, and the judge will hear what the state has to say and hear what evidence that they want to put on to justify their 4-year deferred sentence. Again, they're offering for this to go off his record.
I reached out to the Tulsa County District Attorney's Office to hear their side on the case, but they tell me they are not providing any statements until the sentencing in March. His next court date is March 4th, where the judge will decide his sentence. Swab hopes all will be fair, and while they're doing that, hopes that they will take what they're calling a misunderstanding off of Tally's record. Live in Tulsa covering news that matters, I'm Paris Rain, Fox 23 News.